Hello everybody! Today's video will show you the people who caused the accident and got away.
When they miss tackle after tackle after tackle after tackle, and don't tell me the coach needs to motivate the player. No, if I'm a pro athlete and I need the coach to motivate me, I'm in the wrong friggin' business. Yep. And there's blame to go with J.C. Garrett. There's no doubt about it. But after every Cowboy loss, woe is me on J.C.
Authorities searching for the pickup truck driver in the Waco hit and run. The driver of the car was not seriously injured thanks to airbags.
But they do have all the small things. Yes! Oh, we're back, baby. What's up, everyone? I want to take that opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Will Campos. I play Henry Oak, Birkenstock rockin', granola crunching, munchy, hippie-natured druid dad. This week's dad fact about Henry Oak is this. We've all heard Henry's favorite TV show. We've all heard Henry's favorite drink. But did you know Henry's favorite radio station is the wind? That's right!
The driver of the Mustang decided to stop and not run away, but he was still punished for hitting and driving away. Another case of hit and run. It was lucky that the speed of the Jeep was within the speed limit and did not meet any obstacles after the rollover.
Welche Karte?
Hier.
Ich habe Polizei angerufen, die kommen gleich. In 2 Minuten sind die durch. Warten auf Polizei! Mein Gott, was macht sie überhaupt? Bei mir auch? Bei uns ist sie eingefallen. Ich glaube, sie ist betrunken. Fährst zu mir? Jetzt soll ich warten. Das ist nicht normal. Wir haben schon angerufen. Bitte bleib da.
Hey Siri, call
Hit and run. 2010 Dodge Chrysler rear-ended me in my 2012 Subaru Forester on the Catskills side of the Rip Van Winkle Bridge approach. Man gave no indication of pulling over and made eye contact with me as he passed me and sped off into oncoming traffic, taking the next exit.
Like a grudge, I promise I won't budge. Bad for me, bad for me, bad for me. But I get
Oh man!
and no thank you. It's how it should
Just your normal Mesa traffic. Old man runs a red light and ends up turning into a hit and run. As you can see, the woman driving the Jeep Cherokee failed to yield to the right of way. She pulls over complaining about her mirror, then takes a picture of my plate and then pulls off. But not before I took a picture of her plate. I called the police and reported it and found out the reason she pulled off was that she has no insurance. Martindale, Calgary, Alberta. Hit and run on May 6, 2023 at approximately 15:09 hours. Fleeing vehicle was a black Mazda 3. Driver appeared to be a 30-year-old Indian female with a heavy build, glasses, black jacket, and long hair.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
A truck rear-ended a Mustang, pushing it for several meters before the driver could maneuver away from him. Truck continued on his way. The truck was followed to the worksite and 911 was called. Driver received a $50 fine. Intersection of Loop 410 and Ingham Road. Ford ran a red light T-boning a small SUV. The police are searching for the offender.
Derpity derp 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 derp.
Whoa, dude. What the? I'm sitting over here off Camp Creek Parkway, and someone just hit me on my motorcycle and they ran. Oh, we caught up with the Chevy.
You did what to the Chevy?
We just caught up with it.
Okay, so you're still moving?
Wait, no, we haven't pulled over to the side of the road. He has arrived.
I'm driving through traffic. I got my 3-year-old son in the car. I would never intentionally hit nobody. I got my 3. Man, I've never been to jail.
Why did you leave then? After you hit them?
They riding by, hit my window, hit my car.
Well,
I'm scared. What you mean, well? I'm scared, man. What you mean? Why would I leave?
you got your driver's license?
Yes, ma'am.
You hit him why?
Ma'am, I didn't even know I hit him. Ma'am, I'm
How
driving.
could you not know? Because pieces of your vehicle over in the ditch.
Listen to me, ma'am. I'm driving, ma'am. I'm driving. Hey, I'm so scared. Man, I'm driving. I'm almost through where it's clear. They all on the side of the road. They all pulled over on the side of the road, man.
Okay.
I'm driving.
It's not illegal. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, exactly. I'm driving a little bit more. One of them shoot past again. My son said, I'm scared, Dad. I said, me too, son. Me too.
Why are you scared?
Ma'am, it's 75. It's
Okay.
75 acres.
Are you scared on the interstate when there's 5,000 cars on the
No,
interstate?
not chasing me, not surrounding me, not in no pack, not together.
Thank you for your time and have a great day.